Yes? We're going very slow. We're going to have a belt with us. Yeah? Okay?
Well, that's my Sunday. Upgrading the beast. Okay, so transformation from the beast normal to beast off-road is continuing, and next step, yeah, that's not the next step. This is I don't know what that is. Maybe an antenna extender or something like that, or a brake beacon. So what we got here is an ESC box that Rad built for me using the same carbon fiber as my battery box. Very nice, Louis Vuitton edition. And inside, we've got the original dual VESC 6.6 plus. Had it for ages. That's the big unit. Don't mix it up with the 6.6 plus that's being sold right now. This is the massive thing. Take a look at my channel, get a review on it. This thing here does not let me down. Spoken to Rad once and I said, look, I need something a bit more reliable than my previous ESC box, but I want it to be with the lead on the leash kind of idea in mind. And this is what he built me. So we got aluminium at the bottom for the heatsink. We got ABS all the way around. We've got, well, a few spaces here for the EC and other bits that I need, and also some PLA waterproof gaskets and the carbon fiber reinforced with fiberglass, I believe, cover. Okay, so quick release XT90 now fits perfectly. A little bit of persuasion. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drill and tap this aluminium heatsink on the EC and fix it to the aluminium plate, which is the bottom of this beautiful orange EC enclosure. Job done. Let's just get that XT90 soldered on quickly. 8-gauge cables, nice. Okay, so EC box is now fixed onto the deck. Now we're going to fish the cables through. For this build, I have decided to go the bottom entry for the face cables. So the enclosure is now installed. Let's just get those cables connected and untie it up. Okay, so cables are nice and neat. And now the best part, setting up the board. Love it. So you are still here. Good. Thank you for sticking around. So what we're going to do is, for people who were interested and still here, I'm going to go into proper detail about the Beast on the Leash Off-Road Edition. Let me show you everything that I've done to it. Okay guys, so number one, I have replaced the original torque board hangers for 3D Services Fat Boy hangers. Why? Well, because the 3D Services are precise cut, precision cut, and also much wider, as you can see. 3D Services hangers are 275mm compared to 210 on this one, which I had to adopt a little bit when I was building the Beast. 6374 motors, Maytech, 190 kV, 13 tooth motor pulley, 66 tooth aluminium precision cut tramper slave pulley with tramper flatlands dip dish plastic hubs, love them, with tramper mud pluggers 9-inch with custom made, thank you Red for hooking me up, custom made EC enclosure with a bicycle light. This is Claris. These are really bright, guys. Very, very bright they are. Really like them. It's hard to see right now in the video, but they are stupidly bright. A 3D printed bracket that's already part of the actual enclosure, which is quite neat. What else? Waterproof switch. That's an interesting one. So, if you guys remember my Beast on the Leash, well, that's the board right there. I've got two solutions for the battery. So you can either have the battery in your battery box, which is a carbon fiber 3D printed carbon fiber skinned enclosure right here to match the C enclosure. And you can also have the batteries in your backpack. And the way you do it is literally plug in the leash or the lead into your C, and that can either travel into the battery box or to your backpack with batteries inside. So the Beast does run off of LiPo packs. These are 8000 milliamp LiPo packs, graphite by Energy. These are alright for about 7 miles. So enough for a bit of off-road fun. Deck is a carbon fiber, hand cut for my specification, and carbon fiber skinned top and bottom deck. This deck been with me for 2 years now, no issues whatsoever. Got a bit of flex, strong enough to take my weight. Beautiful. So the front view, guys, the 3D services, Fat Boy trucks, very nice. I've also have upgraded the bushings, so I've got the gorilla nipples yellows at the front and back, and also riptide pivot cups right in here. Those are very good quality and very tight and nice. Also using carbon fiber anti-sink plates, front light, GoPro, waterproof underwater lamp for the camera. Really nice, I like it. Small enough, but also you can hook up the camera right at the top, so you stack them up. Easy enclosure is lifted off the deck. And what I'm using, guys, is I'm using the spacers, the same ones like Trumper does for the hubs and the slave pulley. So this is away from the deck. It's nice and sturdy, can't complain, but that allows me to have the airflow between the deck and the aluminium bottom of the enclosure to give me that nice radiator effect, if you wish. Originally I was controlling this board using the Tramper wand, but unfortunately it decided to pack up on me when I was doing the firmware upgrade and to sort this out. So I had to settle for VX2 by FlipSky. Well, I got mixed feelings about this remote. What I've got here is the VX2 Not Pro, you know, the one without the colorful screen. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not 100% happy with this. VX2 Pro is quite nice actually. And they are covered with nicely designed and made by my mate Lirad cases. So if you're interested in one of these, give me a shout in the comments below. Lovely jubbly. Inside this beautiful enclosure, guys, as you already seen in the photos, is FlipSky 6.6 Plus, the original, the big, massive thing. You know, I think it's like 10th or 20th unit in production. Still got it after 2 years, no issues. It's not the same as the FlipSky 6.6 Plus that's being sold right now. This is a massive unit. Full review on my channel. Custom grip tape. I've cut this out myself. Well, and that's it pretty much. So guys, I have not yet tried this board like properly off-road, but I will do. The weather is not really good in the UK right now, but on the road I've already put about 20 miles on this board. I like it, it's nice. The pickup is absolutely crazy. I've got 70 amp per motor set up on this, and yeah, it's quite nice. I like it. But bindings, you're probably thinking, am I gonna go for bindings? Yes, I will do. I got 2 full sets of bindings. These are the BS F5s. Got 2 sets of them, beautiful things. But for now, that's my style. I just want to decide for myself. I'm going to ride this board without the bindings, even off-road. And if I feel I want to, and I feel like I want to, I will install the bindings. For now, my knees are telling me they want to move around. I like to move my feet on the deck. So I'll see how it goes. But anyway. Thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, what can I say? Build safely, ride safely, enjoy your life, and I see you very soon.